Ordinary. All set now, and the race is on. His Majesty from the outside is Panamera. Karma done on the inside, racing on the further outside is Matini Idol. And Scud Missile is running at the tail of the field by about 4 or 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Panamera, followed now by Matini Idol. And racing in third is His Majesty. Karma is racing in fourth by a length and a half, and Scud Missile is still running at the tail of the field inside the last 600. Matini Idol by ahead, followed by Panamera. His Majesty getting closer in third, Karma, and joining them now is Scud Missile as they race the last 450. Matini Idol from the outside, Panamera in between runners, His Majesty down on the inside, and Scud Missile, His Majesty down on the inside, and on the outside now Scud Missile, Matini Idol, His Majesty and Scud Missile, and nearing the finish line, it's going to be Scud Missile, His Majesty, Matini Idol, Panamera, and Karma.